Year 2, welcome to your phonics lesson for today. The first thing you need is your whiteboard and pen, or your paper and pen if you don't have a whiteboard. Please pause me and go and get that now. Great, okay. So today we are going to be looking at the E sound. I want you to have a think about what digraphs make the E sound. Have a think and write them on your whiteboard. Remember, a digraph are two phonemes or two letters put together that make a digraph. They make a sound when they are next to each other. So we're thinking about digraphs that make the E sound. Great. Okay, so we have this E sound, the two E's, and we have EA, which is also the E sound, and EY. Thumbs up if you've got all three. Well done. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be saying some words for you, and I'll say the words in sentences as well. You need to decide what E sound you need to spell those words, and I want you to write them on your whiteboard. The first word I would like you to spell is C. Now there are two C's, two different types of C's. I would like you to write the word see. I can see you, or I can't see you. E. Okay, so we have E, I can see you. If we're talking about the sea, the ocean, where we may go swimming, it would end in the EA, E sound. Okay, the next word I would like you to spell is cheap. Ch, E, P, ch, E, P. That has two digraphs in it. Which E sound do you need for cheap? The food in the supermarket was very cheap. So we have the ch digraph, and it's the E sound. Ch, E, P, cheap. The next word I would like you to write on your whiteboard is feet. Eat, eat, feet. Mrs. Foley has smelly feet. I don't. Feet. Eat. It's the E sound, the E spelling. Okay, the next one I want you to write is key. I have lost my key. K, E, key. What E sound do we need for the word key? E. It's this E sound. Okay, the next word is team. T, E, T, E, team. What E sound do we need to use for team? Let's work as a team. We are a great team. How can I spell the word team? E, team. Okay, great. Well done, guys. What I'd like you to do now is go on an object hunt. Okay, so that means I would like you to go around your house and find some objects that have the E sound in. So you can have any of the E sounds in them. I want you to find these objects and I want you to write them in your learning journal. Okay, using the correct E spelling. Once you've done that, I would like you to complete, just 1 second. I would like you to complete your phonics quiz, which is on Google Classroom for you. Okay, all the questions on Google Classroom will have the E sound in them. It will be multiple choice. You need to choose the correct spelling with the correct E sound in. It's multiple choice like it has been for your grammar quizzes that you've been doing last week. Okay, have a great day, guys, and have fun finding all those E objects. Okay, bye.